Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today in this tutorial you are going to learn how to sign up for TikTok. TikTok is one of the very famous popular app in today's time. In TikTok you can create videos of your dance, singing and acting. So anyone can create a TikTok account. So before you sign up for a TikTok account, you need to have the TikTok app in your device. You can download TikTok freely from Play Store on your phone. Then you can tap open the TikTok app. You can see at the bottom there are many options for home, discover, inbox and me. You need to tap on the me button, that is the profile button. Here you need to go to the sign up button to create your profile and account. So to sign up for TikTok you have many options. You can use your phone or email address. You can continue with Facebook. You can continue with Google. And you can also continue with Twitter. So if you want to use your phone or email account, you can tap on the first one. Then you need to enter your date of birth in here. Then tap on next button. Now you need to enter your phone number in here. Instead of phone number, you can also choose to enter your email address for sign up. You can see beside the phone. You can enter your email address over here. After you have entered your email address, you can tap on the next button. Then you will be proceeded to the next process of verification for the sign up in TikTok. You need to drag the picture and complete this verification process. Now you need to create a password for your TikTok account. Then tap on the next button. And finally you need a username for your TikTok. You can also change this later. After you are done entering your username that you feel appropriate, tap on the sign up button. Then your TikTok account is created successfully. Now you can once again go to the me button at the bottom right corner and see you have created your profile over here and your TikTok account has been created successfully. You can go to the edit profile and then you can edit your information if you want to. You can also add your bio and you can also add your Instagram and YouTube channel to your TikTok profile if you have. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials.